Y'all got to know where you're going. Amen. All right, check this out. Before I met God, I used to do what I wanted to do. How many of y'all was there? Now that I know God, I'm going to use the word. Y'all ready for this?
Let me represent my city. Waycross, that's where I stay. Laid back, got the hottest thing in Georgia. That's what they say. Well, let me take this time out to divide the line. They telling folks they don't like me, but they know me. They need to stop lying. Don't let the situation about the Lord fool ya. Don't get it wrong, I love the Lord. Too many talking to me. I'm trying my best not to listen. Them haters messing with me. They trying to stop my ambition, temptation walking with me. Through the shadows of death, he telling me to kill them all till there's no one left. New Jersey legit, and that's the way that it was. Surviving the game, and that's the way that it was. They call me broad chat, for greater he that's in me. I'ma keep my mind on the Lord, for greater he that's in me. Sometimes it's hard cause you dealing with your family and friends. You gotta pray to God never fall. If I do, I'm bringing in. Before I met God,
Put your hands together.
I used to do the things that the devil wanted to do, but now I know God. I used to work to fight the devil cause he wants me and wants you. Before I met God,
Where y'all at?
do the things that the
Devil wanted to do, but now I know God.
Hey,
Listen at this verse right here.
Cause he wants me and wants
Now I ain't gonna tell you something you don't already know, but when you fall and bump your head, that's something you already know. I'll be kicking this girl the gospel cause it's working for me. And every time a demon fall, that means it's working for me. You might be the one that disagreeing with me. From the church to the streets, now it's all about we. But it ain't about you, and it's not about me. Can I get you to count to 3 for the Holy Trinity?